Good morning, traders. So, still using the Bull-Williams alligator theory and looking at the DAX this morning. So, we had a pretty bullish bar yesterday on the daily, and it's also broke through this trend line. The second thing that has happened is this channel is still intact, and as I said, was a fairly decent area to look for a long somewhere around here, and we'll look at the low time frames for that. So, that long is still in play. No reason to get out of it at this stage. But what I would be watching out for is this level of 11,258. Now I just want to have a look at the weekly quickly because it's the same picture as on the US markets. The weekly oscillator is grouping to the upside, and we have an inside bar. Okay, so this level here of 11,258 is a critical level for us to get through. Moving on to 4 hour, we are trending up. We've closed the opening gap. 50-50 for me at the moment. This is concerning. If you have a look at the oscillator group to the upside, yes, we're still above the alligator. We could continue, but I think probability of this gap closing today is fairly high. Testing this high again is also pretty high. So the trend is still up, although it's kind of all over the place. Definitely still an uptrend, and you want to be trading with this uptrend. Again, yesterday, as the day before, lots of volatility, lots of indecision as to actually what's going on. But the important thing here is the structure has been adhered to. So remember the channel we drew early in the week. We tested it back, broke through yesterday, came back, tested it, and then rallied. Okay, so that in itself was a 100-point trade. So I suspect we're going to get more upside, more than likely close this gap to the top. But this zone up here between 11,230 and 11,360 is the area to watch for shorts. Okay, all the oscillators are indicating that we're getting tired, so I suspect another attempt up here and a potential double bottom, a double top forming, at which point I suspect we're going to be moving to the downside again. Just want to do that. So there you have a consolidation pattern over the last 2 days as well, which may just break to the upside. So 50-50 call. I think on the lower time frames, any pullback you need to buy because the trend is up. Okay, just watch out for this previous high here. That's going to be critical. Okay, so I've just rounded this level off to 11,300. So 11,300 is the level you need to watch. Okay, so I expect longs this morning up until this area. Then I reckon we'll have a bit of a pullback, and then we'll have to wait and see what happens after that. Okay, so that's it for me on the DAX, short and sweet today. Looking for a long to start with, and then a potential short later in the afternoon to move to the downside. Okay, anyway guys, that's it. I hope it helps, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.